Grass, 草 is the most common Chinese radical, and the two trident 草 transforms into two tiny crosses 草 when appearing at the top of a character. I'll show you how to write 4 characters with Chinese radical grass. They are 苔 moss, 苦 bitter, 茄 eggplant, and 栗 lychee. Let's review them again. They are 苔 moss, 苦 bitter, 茄 eggplant, and 栗 lychee. I'll provide new videos relating to Chinese radicals in the future. If you are interested, welcome to subscribe to my channel. See you again soon. Bye bye.